Hey, curious minds, have you ever wondered how water flows from a tap, how airplanes fly, or how surfers ride waves? All of that is explained by a magical part of science called fluid mechanics. Today, we'll explore what it is in a way so simple, even your little cousin will get it. What is fluid mechanics? Here's a simple definition. Fluid mechanics is the study of how liquids and gases move and behave. The word fluid includes both liquids, like water, and gases, like air. Mechanics means how things move and what forces act on them. So fluid mechanics equals how water, air, and other fluids move, flow, and react. When you pour juice into a glass, that's fluid mechanics. When a plane lifts off the ground, that's fluid mechanics. When a fish swims through water, guess what? That's fluid mechanics too. Even in space, when astronauts float around in air, fluid mechanics is there. It helps us design swimming pools, cars, ships, and even air conditioners. Key ideas. There are three big ideas in fluid mechanics. Flow, how fast or slow fluids move. Pressure, how much force the fluid pushes with. Viscosity, how thick or sticky a fluid is, like water versus honey. Fun fact, honey flows slower than water because it's more viscous. Famous scientist Daniel Bernoulli said, as the speed of a fluid increases, its pressure decreases. This helps explain how airplanes fly. Why is it important? Fluid mechanics is super important in everyday life and engineering. Helps build safer airplanes and faster cars. Makes better water pipelines and dams. Improves heart pumps and blood flow research. Helps us understand weather and ocean waves. Without fluid mechanics, many things we use every day wouldn't work at all. What you'll learn in this playlist. In this fluid mechanics series, we'll explore types of fluids, ideal versus real, pressure, flow rate, and buoyancy, Bernoulli's principle, real-life uses in machines, the body, and nature. Every topic will be explained using simple drawings, real-world examples, easy breakdowns for all ages. So next time you drink water, blow a balloon, or see a plane fly, just remember, it's all fluid mechanics. Tell us in the comments, where have you seen fluids in motion today? Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for our next episode. What is material science? Explained simply. Let's learn engineering, one sketch at a time.